Leaders from various tribal communities in Manipur issued a joint statement opposing the removal of the Free Movement Regime (FMR) along the Indo-Myanmar border. In a statement issued by leaders from the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum (ITLF), Committee on Tribal Unity (KOTU), Indigenous Tribe Advocacy Committee (ITAC), Kuki Inpi Chandel (KIC), and Kuki Inpi Tengnopal (KIT) says that the tribal groups of Manipur stand firmly against the removal of FMR. The joint statement further mentioned that the people of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mizoram are also against border fencing and the removal of FMR. The group also urged everyone, including officials, contractors, and others, to refuse to participate in any FMR-related activity. The tribal groups have also opposed the Manipur government's plans to conduct Autonomous District Council ADC elections, saying it is clearly an attempt by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to create division among them by pitting them against each other. They asked the public not to participate in the elections unless their political demands are met. In view of the fresh violence in the Jiribam region, the tribal groups urged the central government to establish a buffer zone for protection and to consider their demand for union territory status.